But as long as you keep connected to God, as long as you really trust Him, you know Him that He will never harm you. Right? Remember, yung another definition natin ng evil is that anything that will cause you harm, anything that will cause you trouble and distractions. And God knows kung sino yung mga yon, kung anong sitwasyon yung mga yon, kung anong bagay yung mga yon that will lead us to destruction. So, God is just saving us dun sa pain na meron ka right now, or God is saving us dun sa mas greater pain na may experience mo by cutting those people or by cutting those situations na meron ka right now. Amen and amen. And it says that, for you are with, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. So in this verse that talks about your rod and your staff, they comfort me, it talks about protection from